In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Grammarly on your laptop effectively, whether you're a student, professional writer, or simply someone who wants to improve their writing. Grammarly is a fantastic tool that can help you enhance your grammar, punctuation, and overall writing style. So let's get started. First, open your favorite browser and head over to Google. In the search bar, type in Grammarly. You should see Grammarly's official webpage among the top search results. Click on that link and it will guide you to Grammarly's homepage. On the homepage, you'll see a button that says Get Grammarly. Click on that button to proceed. If you're new to Grammarly, you'll need to sign up for an account. Follow the prompts to create your account. You can use an email address or simply continue with your Google account for a smoother experience. If you already have an account, you can sign in directly. Once logged in, navigate to the Grammarly homepage, look for the Apps section, and from there click on the option to install Grammarly for Windows if you're using a PC. This will download the Grammarly app to your laptop, ensuring you have real-time grammar checking across your desktop applications. Next, you'll want to enhance your browser with Grammarly by installing the Grammarly extension for Chrome. Click on Add to Chrome. You'll be asked for permissions. Select Add Extension. This is going to integrate Grammarly into your browser, offering you writing support on various web pages, including emails and social media posts. After adding the extension, it's a good idea to pin Grammarly to your Chrome toolbar for easy access. You can do this by clicking on the puzzle piece icon in the top right corner of your browser, finding Grammarly and selecting the pin icon next to it. Now let's try it out in Google Docs. Open a Google Docs document and look for the Grammarly icon in the bottom right corner. Click on it and you'll see Grammarly's suggestions starting to pop up. They might include spelling and grammar corrections, style improvements, and even tone adjustments, all designed to elevate your writing. Remember, you can click on these suggestions individually to apply them, or explore why Grammarly is suggesting those particular changes. This step is a wonderful opportunity to learn from your mistakes and become a more proficient writer. With Grammarly all set up and integrated, you're ready to start improving your writing instantly. It's a simple yet incredibly powerful tool that can make a significant difference in how you communicate through text, ensuring clarity and professionalism in every message you send or document you create. Enjoy refining your writing with Grammarly.